Hey.
I'm Amin.
Yeah, this is part 2, Specimen Zero.
Yes.
Okay.
Have
Painful. No. Wait, what?
yes.
As expected, there's no save file here.
Rip.
Why is there no save file?
No.
I guess that. I guess I cannot stop speed run time.
I download this game
What?
because I wanna play with this guy. And I finished broken. Bed in the kwarto. Ah. Okay, media. Bedroom with the light.
Worry.
Keys.
How lucky I am. Now I'm dummy. I forgot something. I see the key. And you never see it. How I get it. Huh?
Contact glider. Get a good far.
I hate that freaking sound.
Look at it.
Why you keep shorting me?
Huh?
Like,
The brand new sound when you get hurt.
yeah, that never hurts me in the last episode. Wait, why? Yeah.
Shotgun! Get the freaking shotgun!
That useless. There's no guns.
Bitch,
I know bullets.
Fucking get it already.
Thank you for the bullet.
Motherfucker.
Okay. I got a bad feeling he wake up again.
I am okay.
Okay, I'd rather shoot here. If I shoot there,
And then he doesn't know where you are, and then he's blind anyways. He doesn't know where you are.
Wait, you wait.
I'm still alive. I beat the champion.
Let's shoot here. Thank you. You know why? Wait. I'm not gonna let you wake up in the door. Wait, where are you again? At your wait, what?
He blind as hell.
Hello?
Surprise,
You're I thought you did.
Wait, let me see some. Yeah. Oh, that's the stairs.
Yeah. You remember that I tried to open this in the goose move, but there's not enough. Hey, how do you open the door? Explain, motherfucker.
No arms, no legs. Bitch, are you a snail? That's why. Go
Yeah.
upstairs.
No, it's useless going here in my life. It's a lie.
Pinky promise.
Ah!
R.I.P. There's bullets for the shotgun.
No, this is a pistol. Look, you see that box one?
Oh my god. For the pistol? Where the... My god.
Thank you for the keys.
Please.
But I gonna come back.
To the upstairs.
You know why?
Upstairs.
Because if he gonna wake up right at the time that I'm trapped here,
Are you dead?
he did 100%. There's no chance I could shoot him
Why do I hear?
accurately. Wait, what?
I slack.
Bye. See you later, alligator. Wait, I got. Wait, where is he again?
Remember downstairs, bro?
No, it's like he's wake up again.
Well. Is that battery or a shotgun ammo?
Okay.
I hate you. Pew pew. My God, wala isang ammo.
It could a shotgun now. It's
Ngon ko.
it's shotgun this time. Like
Oh shit ka.
earlier, I got the bullets. Now it's shotgun shoots. I know it. You're wake up. I told you, he's wake up now. Okay, I'm gonna come back again. No. It's time to kill him. Wait, how could I kill him? Okay. Okay, let me do something because he's idiot again. Do something bad.
How the fuck did you do that? Well, back.
He got problem.
Because we dead.
No, he go there again.
I'm bored.
That's his spawn point.
Oh my God.
Come on. You show up at the right time. Come. Come, my friend. Come, my friend.
I always shout because I'm good.
Thank you for coming this day. Thank you. You're gonna die today. I'm sorry. It's like I'm gonna walk again. See you.
What's the fucking shotgun?
Now.
Gun.
Could you just get off your
Gun.
Could you just get off your hands?
No, I don't wanna. Chef it! Yes!
Do not reload. If I reload, there's an accident. The bugs.
Yes.
If he gonna wake up while I walk in here,
Nanggolengas!
and I'm dead.
Bitches.
I don't know how long this thing will.
It's
I know it.
Oh my God.
Wait, it said.
I got no ammo. R.I.P. Pinky promise. A slug.
Nice. How unlucky I am. Now go away.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I never wake up
Look at the
yet.
cameras. Look at the cameras, bruh.
You're not coming here. Why the slug is small today? You just stay in the door, man. Right?
What are we gonna do?
Door.
I'm bored. Bored. I'm bored. I'm bored.
Stop, please. And I see here slimes.
Where? Shotgun. Shotgun.
Thank God it's my first time to kill him. Now let's go to the hallway for a fight. Come on, my son. Where are you again? Hey, why you going the wrong way? I really hate you, man. Here we go again.
See, I was a little dumbass, bro.
Dumbass.
Yeah, big brain time.
Ow. How alive you are. Hey, I actually headshot today. Wait, it's only effective in the head. I noticed that. You're a little slow like shit.
Now
guys, how painful. Is he alive? Wait, he's faster today. Look, he's revenge mode.
you shoot me with that gun. Now you. I don't have animation.
How? Okay, he's going here.
And
He's rage mode. I don't care. I'm dead. You notice that he's like a rage mode.
Yes.
He's getting faster, like a.
Fuck up. Okay. I wanna play. Yeah. More panas nih. Angkir baka merag. Selalu pas mematay. Angkir ba? A freak.
In the first time in my life.
You got punched by a pillow. In the first time.
Okay, still not coming here.
Nice. I'll go. Fair boy. Good.
Shut up, evil guy. You.
No more.
You imagining.
No, good. My God,
I hear what you said.
today.
You stop being innocent now. Okay.
Yeah. The big Naruto dan.
Where's he again? It's like I don't see him in the doorway. You notice that? Oh, look, I don't see him anymore.
Oh. I see one. The big. I don't know. The big. Feather. The big.
Now something is spawning.
Sorry, what? What are you calling?
They said,
the snare power will rise together. The snare power will rise together. The right element can do.
Wait, I hear something.
The snare power will rise. I'm bored.
Oh my god, where did the fucking hell? We did now. I hear his footsteps getting closer. You know, I'm here.
And you're so slow to headshot him.
Yeah, I'm laggy. I guess you're gonna ignore you, I guess. What is this doorway?
GTG because
I don't have key cards.
bitch.
I got a question. How do I save?
Malakaw siya ko eh. Dili matter ako si kaya si Ben. Hindi pagkatauan niya na ako.
Not effective, stupid guy.
Enjoy this.
GG man, yeah. I got bullets. I got shotgun bullets and still useless. No.
The snail evolution will rule.
My god, this is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't know where I now. And bigger and getting bigger. There's a place that I did not still go.
Oh no!
It's getting bigger.
I need to headshot this guy. I need to headshot this butcher. No! Ako yung lupot. Ang chichi mo dyan. Effective. Chichi mo ko.
fool.
With your gun.
Wait! I hear him. Now, time to kill him. This is a great place to kill him.
I'm back.
You know why? It's so big.
Oh yeah.
I think I hear him again.
I gotta go because I'm bored again. And I need to laugh this guy. No, I can hear him. I can hear him in this room. I think I can kill him because this room is big. Oh. I think I hear him. Ah! Later this morning. Hindi, ginahan mo ka, BBQ! 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 BBQ?
Go away.
What BBQ?
No.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no! No! Him again!
Shut up, I don't care about you anymore. I miss again.
You miss.
Thank you for sleeping. What the?
Too many drugs.
What is this? I'm spinning around. Like, what the fuck?
Too many drugs.
What's happening to you?
Too many drugs.
I already go this place. I don't know where am I. Okay, time to go. I don't know. Don't know where am I going again.
What?
Let me get my shotgun. I don't. That shotgun is useless. Even if I shoot him 1,000 times, it's useless.
I'm bored.
Wait, what's that thing? I got 20 bullets and I got. Don't know.
I'm going.
Thank you for getting the cards. How many key cards I have? I only have red, blue. I don't know. I don't know if this works. Fuck shit. This is bad. Wait, where is he again? Here? Don't know. Okay, I'm glad you're not coming here. To be honest. To be honest, I'm glad he's not coming here. I hear his voice. Like, okay. Stop it. Just sleep night, dummy.
Every time I get to do what you said, I got revenge time, huh? Every time I get to do, he got him. My cousin got revenge. My cousin got revenge.
Well, I got revenge so many times too. I hit him thousands. Oof. Hey, I'm back again. I forgot a recording with shit. Okay, I hear his voice. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's Thank God you're coming here. How many times it takes to die, man?
Oh God is failing. Oh God is falling to the sky.
I don't care.
God story ayawa. Awa Jemo. Oh God. Yeah.
Sorry, I got.
Remember katong rag kung magtanong kag trolls? Katong movie Trolls.